Mamma Giuliana. My tips today is a shortcut to prepare bechamel sauce. First of all, I need a saucepan. I had some butter. I use this kind of sauce for vegetables. It's very easy and very fast. I cook already the vegetable. Today I prepare spinach. Once the butter is melted, you can add the spinach inside. You stir a little bit. I put already salt. You can use this one for all kind of vegetable that you like after to put in the oven. You put some flour inside. Some flour in. Then cut like this. You stir very well till the white of the flour is completely disappeared. If you like, you can add some nutmeg or some spice. I prefer just to add salt and some pepper. I did already. Now the last piece is to add milk. Once the milk is come thick, the white sauce is ready. You don't need to cook a lot because anyway it's going to cook in the oven. Also because vegetable, they don't need a lot of bechamel sauce, just a little bit to taste. Okay, now my spinach are ready. You put on the top some parmesan cheese. And now they're ready. You can put now in the oven. They're ready in 5, 10, 15 minutes if you like to cook well.